Hello friends and rock stars, welcome back to my channel. I'm Donia and today we are stepping into a rock and roll pure magic. Let's go in and discover this beautiful house which is located in West Seattle with a beautiful water view and a breathtaking furniture that this house is gonna be listed with or without furniture, but you would like to have it all. Let's go. Let's walk in and see what surprises I have for you. Today we are touring one of the coolest hidden gems you've never seen before. An old school house with every inch exposing rock history, vintage vibes, and a few surprises that might just blow your mind. From a 300 years old closet and vintage amps to walls that tell stories louder than a Marshall star. This is more than a home. It's a love letter to rock and roll. Let's crank it up to 11 and take the ultimate tour. You ready? Let's go. The first thing you notice when you walk into this beautiful house is this firehouse pool. It's not a dance pool, it's a firehouse pool.
You go quicker.
Oh,
But
my skin gets
But
done.
it's so makes it easy. So I would go with this.
Okay.
Whoa!
That's me have a little more practice.
Which I'm not gonna go down with this. I'm not that brave. Don't count on me. And look at this beautiful original closet doors. And I would love to take a peek in this closet, but I'm not gonna show it to you because there's a lot of stuff in there. And then we walk through this beautiful hallway with all this beautiful painting and decoration. They are old and beautiful. First destination is this beautiful living room that is designed is breathtaking. Look at all the furniture, all old beautiful furniture that are symbols of rock and roll. And I can say they like this table or that all these decorations, they are old. You cannot find them anywhere. This is just for this house. This is a unique part of the house. And you know what? If you have a dog or a cat and you would like them to have their own house, it's right there with their own window. And do you know what this part is called? This is a harem. This is where the king used to have a lot of women around them. So maybe you can enjoy this here in this house. Let's walk into the kitchen and then dining room. Into the kitchen, when you walk, these are original cabinets from 1979, and this stove is 80 years old, which it was new, someone's garage, and they just brought it here. So it's a new 80 years old stove and range. And look at this beautiful faucet. This is from Kurt Cobain's, the rock star Kurt Cobain's house. And actually we have the same faucet in the bathroom, which I'll show you later. Now, from this beautiful, gorgeous kitchen, let's walk into this unique dining room. So here you can see that everything here, everything is old and beautiful, and they have history. They have character. It's not just a piece of wood. It has character, and that's what I love about this house. Everything has its own character. Everything has history in this house. And this beautiful dining room, you can see all these tables and chairs. And so before I forget, I wanted to mention the flooring here. The whole house is covered with the local pine flooring, which, as you know, you can refurnish them as many times as you want, and they last forever. There is no expiration date for local pine flooring. And one more thing I would like to mention here is, again, this firehouse pool that is coming from the upper level to this level, and then from this level you go to the other pool, and you go down to the garage. So when you walk around this house, you can see all this beautiful furniture. They all are old, all have their own history, and they have character. They are not a piece of wood. So there is a balcony all over the living room. It starts from the living room and goes all the way around to the kitchen and dining room. And I would like you to walk to the balcony with me and enjoy this beautiful water view to the Puget Sound. And when it's clear, when the sky is clear, you can have a beautiful view of the Olympic Mountain. So enjoy this view. And this balcony goes all around the house, from the living room to the dining room. Okay, now we are in the garage. Did I came down from this pool? Nope, I'm not that brave, but it's fun, right? I just took the stairs. So this part is supposed to be a garage, but look around and see what you can see and what you can find in this garage. It's not a normal garage, of course, because this house is not normal. This house is so spectacular, and everything you see in the house is the same. It has soul. It talks to you. Look around this beautiful, that they call it garage, but it's not a garage. You see, everything you see here is old, has history, it talks to you, it has a spirit in it. This garage has a photo booth. Would you like to take a photo here? Here you can have all those dresses. You have this beautiful background, and you can shoot your photos. Again, as I said, it is a garage, but it's not a garage. Look at this beautiful table. It's 200 years old. Can you believe it? It's older than all of us. It's been made before we were born. Do you know what is older than that table? That closet. Come and look at this beautiful design closet. This closet is 300 years old. Now we are done with this 5-car garage, and it's not just a garage. You walk with me here, you can see it's a performance room but you can have it as a bedroom. You can use it as a bedroom, or it has a kind of a lot of storage area under the stairs. One thing which is so unique about this house is that every room has its own loft. So you can have all your stuff here, down here, and then go into the loft and take a nap there. And this garage, again, is not just a garage. Let me show you something really interesting and unique about this house. Again, is this room, which you can use it as your wine room. It's a cold, natural cold room, natural temperature, and you can keep all your drinks here with a perfect temperature and ready for your party. Yahoo! Now let's go together. Let's walk together, go upstairs and see the bedrooms there. There is 3 bedrooms, 2 bed upstairs, and each of those bedrooms have their own beautiful soul. Let's start with the first room and the second floor. This room is the room that the owner used to actually teach acting here. And this beautiful room has a beautiful view of the Puget Sound again and the Olympic Mountain. And again, as I mentioned before, every room has its own beautiful historical decoration and a loft. So you can have your bed there again and have all your furniture here. Now let's walk to the second room and the second floor. Here is the room that is designed for a massage. So we have this massage table that we can use in this room. And again, all beautiful furniture. Oh my God, this is beautiful. And this room has its own small balcony that you can walk in and you can enjoy the view here. And again, it has its own loft. So on the other side of this 2-bedroom is a main bathroom, and if you walk in with me, you can see these original cabinets from 1979 in this bathroom, and renovated shower, clean renovated shower with beautiful tiles. And the last but not the least is the master bedroom. Is a masterpiece of art that I would love to share it with you. So come with me and let's look at this beautiful bedroom, master bedroom, with again, I don't want to repeat myself, but please look at this beautiful furniture here. And the view is breathtaking. The view of the water is breathtaking. It has its own balcony. And the furniture is just, it's not something that you can find anywhere else. Okay, now let's walk into the closet and in the bathroom for this beautiful master bedroom. One thing that I would love you to see is that this cabinet is again original from 1979, and the faucet here is from Kirkabin House, which is the same faucet as we had in the kitchen. And the shower is completely renovated. It has its own drainage here, so if any water splash out, which usually doesn't, but if there is any water, it goes into this drain. So you walk out of the bathroom, you have all these closets here, and this is a kind of an old-fashioned closet here. We have a sink here, another sink here, and again original cabinets. And you know what? Even the master bedroom has its own loft. In the second floor, you can see each bedroom has its own balcony and a beautiful view, spectacular view from Puget Sound and Olympic Mountain. So enjoy this beautiful view with me. So we're done with our tour of this beautiful rock and roll museum. I don't call it a house. And this beautiful spectacular view. If you're thinking about buying or selling houses, don't forget to contact me. You can find my calendar and my information on my channel. And until next time and next beautiful house, bye.